6 animals that could defeat a python. Think about it. Pythons are massive, muscle-bound snakes that squeeze the life out of prey much larger than you or me. These scaly titans stalk swamps and forests with virtually no fear. Or do they? Ever wondered who in the animal kingdom would dare mess with a 20-foot constrictor? Could a feline predator outsmart it? What about a venomous snake? Snake versus snake showdown. Today, we'll unravel this slithery mystery. Before we dive into the contenders, let's set the stage. Pythons are some of the largest snakes on Earth. Many species regularly exceed 15 to 20 feet, 4.5 to 6 meters in length, and can weigh over 200 pounds, 90 kilograms. They kill by ambush and constriction. One moment of carelessness by their prey, and a python strikes with lightning speed, coiling its powerful body around the victim. Every breath the prey exhales just makes the coils tighter. Not exactly a hug you'd want. With their colossal size and strength, adult pythons have few natural enemies. However, few doesn't mean none. There are formidable animals out there, apex predators with sharp claws, crushing jaws, venomous fangs, or clever tactics that could turn the tables on a python. Number 6. Tiger. A full-grown tiger is a force of nature armed with razor-sharp claws, immense strength, and canines built for stabbing thick hides. In a clash between a tiger and a large python, the big cat often has the advantage. Tigers are known to occasionally prey on snakes, and there's even footage of a Bengal tigress wrestling with a massive python and dominating it. One swipe of those hefty paws can seriously injure a snake, and the tiger's speed and agility mean it can dance out of reach of the python's coils. With a well-placed bite to the python's head or neck, a tiger could dispatch the snake before it even gets the chance to tighten around the cat. Tigers also have size on their side. A 400-pound tiger versus a 200-pound python is hardly a fair fight. Of course, a python could injure a careless tiger, but in most showdowns, the tiger's predatory prowess wins out. After all, a python might be a legendary constrictor, but a tiger is basically a lightning-fast, intelligent assassin wrapped in fur. Not a matchup any sensible snake would seek out. Number 5. Crocodile. If the question is who has the stronger squeeze, a python's coils or a croc's jaws, the answer is crocodile every time. Crocodiles are living tanks with nearly impenetrable armor and one of the most powerful bite forces on the planet. A big Nile or saltwater crocodile can weigh well over 1,000 pounds, 453 kilograms, and slam its jaws shut with almost 3,000 psi. There have been instances in the wild, and certainly in viral internet videos, where pythons and crocodiles cross paths. Sometimes the python ambushes a smaller croc for dinner, but if the crocodile is large and aware, tables turn quickly. One bite on the python's skull or mid-body, and it's game over for the snake almost instantly. The snake coils, trying to constrict the reptile's thick hide, but the croc is unfazed. With a violent thrash and the infamous death roll, the crocodile would tear the python apart. Literally. Crocs are patient too. They might let the python wrap around them and then simply hold their breath and sink into the water, drowning the snake. Those massive jaws, that armored body, it's like bringing a chainsaw to a rope fight. Number 4. King Cobra. When it comes to snake versus snake, venom beats muscle. The king cobra is aptly named. This long, elegant serpent hunts and eats other snakes, including pythons, for breakfast. King cobras can grow 12 to 18 feet, 3.6 to 5.5 meters in length, nearly as long as some pythons, but they don't rely on size or constriction. Instead, they carry a deadly weapon: neurotoxic venom. In a face-off, the cobra's strategy is clear. Strike fast, aim for the python's head, and deliver a dose of venom potent enough to fell an elephant. One good bite and the cobra slinks away, while the python, no matter how strong, rapidly grows weak as the venom shuts down its nerves and muscles. In fact, experts say a king cobra's bite would kill a large python in mere minutes. It's the ultimate punch. The python's powerful coils mean nothing if it can't even move or breathe. Of course, this is a risky fight. The python might manage to grab the cobra in its jaws or coils at the same time. There are dramatic accounts of these two killing each other in a gruesome tie. But our scenario is about who could defeat a python, and the king cobra definitely can. These cobras are smart too. They typically ambush snakes, delivering a precise bite and then waiting at a safe distance. Imagine a hungry king cobra sneaking up on a python that's lounging after a big meal. The cobra launches a lightning strike, injecting its venom cocktail, which causes paralysis and massive organ failure. The python recoils, tries to fight, maybe even lands a coil, but soon its strength fades and it collapses. Number 3. Leopard. Don't let their sleek spotted beauty fool you. Leopards are hardcore predators, willing to take on almost anything, including big snakes. In parts of Africa and Asia where leopards share territory with large pythons, there have been astonishing encounters. Leopards are smaller than tigers, but what they lack in size they make up for in cunning and sheer boldness. A leopard's game plan against a python: stalk silently, strike suddenly, and target the snake's most vulnerable spot, its head. One famous video from Kenya shows a leopard ambushing an African rock python and coming out on top. The python managed to coil and put up a fight, but the leopard delivered multiple bite wounds to the snake's head and neck. In the end, the big snake lay defeated with puncture wounds all over, and the leopard limped away with only a minor paw injury. Talk about a dramatic battle. Leopards have incredibly strong jaw muscles for their size. They're known to drag prey heavier than themselves up trees, so crushing a snake's skull or spine with a well-placed bite is within their skill set. And if the fight starts going south, the leopard's agility allows it to disengage in a flash and reassess. It will twist, claw, and bite ferociously. The python's long body actually becomes a disadvantage when a sharp-clawed cat is ripping into it at multiple points. In many documented cases, leopards have not only killed large snakes but eaten them too, proving that to a hungry leopard, even a python is just another entree. Number 2. Eagle. From the sky comes a danger the ground-dwelling python never expects: the talons of a powerful eagle. Several large bird of prey species are renowned snake hunters. For example, Africa's martial eagle and brown snake eagle, or Asia's wedge-tailed eagles, think nothing of attacking a snake on the ground. An eagle's advantages are clear: superb vision, the element of surprise, and lethal weaponry in the form of sharp talons and beak. A big eagle can swoop down at over 100 miles per hour and slam its strong feet into a snake's head, driving talons in to prevent getting bitten or coiled. They then fly up with the wriggling snake and often drop it from a height to stun or kill it. Clever, right? Snake eagles in Africa have been documented snatching snakes up to 10 feet, 3 meters long, including pythons. They have thick, scaly legs to guard against bites, and even some resistance to venom. In the battle of eagle versus python, the poor python usually doesn't know what hit it until it's too late. Even if the python fights back on the ground, the eagle has the mobility advantage. It can hop around, flapping to avoid strikes, all while repeatedly slashing with talons. Number 1. Komodo dragon. Yes, dragons are real, and this giant lizard from Indonesia is a predator to be reckoned with. Komodo dragons can grow 10 feet, 3 meters long, and weigh over 330 pounds, 150 kilograms, essentially as heavy as a large python, but armed with legs for chasing, jaws for tearing, and a venomous bite. That's right, Komodo dragons have venom that prevents blood from clotting and sends their victims into shock. If a python squared off with a Komodo dragon, it would be like bringing a knife to a gunfight. The python could certainly attempt to coil the Komodo, but the dragon's sheer bulk and strength mean it can likely bust free from all but the largest snake. One clamp of the Komodo's serrated teeth and the python would be left with gaping wounds. Even if the python escaped initially, the dragon's venom would be coursing through its body, causing massive blood loss and weakening the snake by the minute. The Komodo could simply follow the envenomated python until the poor snake can't fight anymore, then chow down at its leisure. A brutal yet effective strategy. Komodo dragons are cunning hunters. They might use ambush tactics similar to the python's own game. Envision a hungry Komodo dragon stumbling upon a python that's just eaten and is sluggish. And there we have it, 6 incredible animals that could defeat a python. Each brings its own arsenal to the fight. It's a testament to nature's balance that even the mighty python, a top predator in its own right, has potential foes lurking in the wild. Does it mean pythons are easy pickings? Not at all. In their element, pythons are supremely skilled hunters, and not many animals dare to challenge them. But under the right circumstances, these 6 adversaries could turn the predator into prey.